Hi there. You're looking at my email box. I'm Andrew Larder. I'm a travel advisor with Fora Travel, and you can find all my content at drewlarder.com. There's also an adult exclusive or adults only all-inclusive group and a family all-inclusive group that are on Facebook. None of that matters. Virgin Voyages just sent me an email going, hey, for 2026, you can spend the entire year on board a cruise ship for $199,000. So it just came out. I'm going to scroll through here and give you a quick look, just in case that's something you might. That's why I put the money right up front. If you're looking for a $100 a night cruise, this is not it. If you're looking to spend $5,000 on a holiday, this is not it. This is 52 weeks. So what would that be? That's about $4,000 a week over 52 weeks. Lots of bonuses. I'm going to get inside and give you a look at this. So if you're interested in the idea of this being your everyday life for the next year, and you can work on board, you can just completely be on vacation on board, whatever works. So here we go at the start. They're saying, hey, to me, who wants to be the first one to book one of these? So I'll make a quick video and show you all about it. I'm going to screen that. Here we go. For the Ultimate Jet Setter 2026 annual pass, unlimited voyages in a Sea Terrace cabin, so looking out on the ocean for the entire year, plus VIP perks to make every sailing even more spectacular. You've got until the end of 2025 to buy one of these. I think they want to try and have us compete against each other to be the first one to sell it. Unlimited for 2026. So they're selling it in 2025, January 1st on in 2026. $199,000. Let's go down to the perks. Work from the Sea WiFi. So there you go. You can do your business on board. Priority boarding, $100 bar tab per voyage. That's pretty cool. Laundry, 2 daily specialty coffees, exclusive cocktail events, dedicated sailor services support. I'm like, yeah. And this is the luxury add-ons because you're spending $200,000 with Virgin. So how about 1 week stay on Necker Island, round trip business class flights and transfers. That's a big deal. Daily shake for champagne, Moët delivered anywhere on board. All right, we're talking now. How about a $10,000 shopping spree? Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, whatever's on board. So that's pretty cool. RockStar Quarters birthday upgrade. So on your birthday, you get to the top of the top-notch accommodation. Private beach club cabanas on the island of Bimini, up to 10 uses. One curated and hosted shore thing every quarter. I'm not sure exactly what that is. And then take home the signature red hammock that's hanging out in your balcony. So that's crazy cool thing. I'm looking going, let's go back to this. So if you're interested in that, $199,000, you're getting a $10,000, shopping spree, and you're getting a trip, which is probably, I'm going to say 10,000 just to make it. So you're still spending, like easily $180,000 for the year. But you're staying on a Virgin Voyages cruise. You're able to do work and also vacation the whole year from start to finish, and you just pick where you want to go. So if you ever want to do that, there are people that live on board cruise ships. Here you go, $200,000. You get $1,000 back. You just peel it off like that. Send me an email. I'm at drewlarder.com. I'm at the bottom of every post at that site. You click the link that says Drew Larder or Andrew Larder for a travel advisor. There's a picture of me and my daughter running on the beach. Click the link and send me a one-line email. I'd like to spend all of 2026 on Virgin Voyages, and I can set that up for you. So you're going to have some money for this, but you're going to spend the entire year traveling the globe in return. That's a pretty awesome, and also all the bonuses that are in there. So check it out. The link is in the video description. And really, you can just come to drewlarder.com, click on any post, scroll down, send me an email, and we can put this together for you. I'm Andrew Larder. I'm a Fora travel advisor at drewlarder.com. This is Virgin Voyages year-long 2026 annual pass for $199,000. Enjoy.